Over 100 years after the construction of the first Baha'i house of worship in Ashgabat, a new light is beginning to shine. In Peñalolén, in the east area of Santiago, here, the construction of the 9th and last of the continental Baha'i houses of worship is well underway and advancing towards its highly anticipated completion. The past 3 months have witnessed notable developments in this respect. The top section of the temporary central tower, supporting the steel columns, has been removed, and the entire steel superstructure is now fully standing upon its concrete foundation. Construction of the 9 wings is progressing well. The assembly of the structural steel frame for each wing has been completed. The 9 25-meter bronze ribbon windows which connect the wings have also been installed. The fitting of the interior marble panels continues on the wings, and 8 are now complete. The placement of rubber seals on the exterior of the steel frame is currently underway. A milestone was met when the exterior cast glass cladding began installation in mid-October. This work is currently progressing on 2 wings. The oculus crowning the temple has also been assembled and is being prepared for its expected completion in coming weeks. The auxiliary buildings are beginning to take shape, and foundations, walls, and roof slabs of the reception hall and guardhouse have been completed. Major contracts for the landscaping of 6 hectares of gardens have been awarded, and plans have been laid out for the first stage of the landscaping work, including installation of the irrigation system and the planting of trees and ground coverings. Among the many ways that the temple is impacting the consciousness of an ever-widening circle, it has inspired young people from around the world, hailing from every continent, to dedicate a period of their lives to serve in various ways for the advancement of this endeavor. Their commitment has found expression in both contributions to the construction process as well as to the efforts at community building taking shape in Peñalolén and further afield.
Lo que más me gusta del templo es que es para todos, no es solamente para un grupo determinada de personas, que está abierto para todos.
What inspired me the most to apply for a project of this character is the uniqueness. It's the last continental house of worship that's being built, and I thought it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be part of such a significant work.
I love how it's going to be a source of light in and amongst the mountains, so you'll be able to see it from the city of Santiago. I absolutely love all the Chilean people. The workers are all so friendly, their hearts are so big, and everyone's really working together to get the temple done to the best of their abilities.
Tuve la oportunidad de ayudar en una clase de niños. Es una manera de cómo complementar tu servicio, ya que le tomas importancia a la construcción de la casa de oración y también le tomas importancia a la construcción de comunidad.
I went to the Baha'i Summer School here in Peñalolén, and I met a lot of the community and experienced the wonderful spirit that they have and their love for the temple. I think the Claire that will leave is more Chilean. Sí, po.
The construction of such a unique edifice has also promoted collaboration between the temple project and academic institutions. Most recently in September, Adolfo Ibáñez University held a conference with the architect of the House of Worship, Mr. Siamak Hariri. Professors, students, and professionals in the field had an opportunity to learn about the different phases of the project, the development of the design concept, and the innovative technologies and materials that are being used. Subsequently, many of the participants had an opportunity to visit the site firsthand. The site for the construction of the House of Worship continues to be a place that attracts visitors and hosts activities open to surrounding communities. For the first time, a senator of the Republic of Chile, Mr. Francisco Chaguán, made a visit to the temple site. While there, Senator Chawan shared some words.
No me cabe la menor duda que este lugar está llamado a ser un centro de oración, de meditación y de encuentro, que también va a invitar a todos los habitantes de la comuna y de todo el país también a buscar un lugar de tranquilidad, de retrospección y que le va a permitir efectivamente encontrarse con lo más profundo de sí mismo y con lo más elevado que podemos aspirar a tener un contacto.
Additionally, more than 30 staff members from different departments of the municipality of Peñalolén had the opportunity to tour the temple land and learn about the Baha'i faith and the significance of the house of worship. The temple site also hosted over 130 students from a nearby school. Their visit not only included a presentation about the technical aspects of the construction of the temple, but also afforded the students an opportunity to discuss their ideas about the role that youth play in the betterment of society and communities. They also shared a moment of reverence and devotion together with the guides. During the month of Youth and Solidarity, the municipality of Peñalolén organized activities in which various groups from Peñalolén participated, including the Baha'i youth.
También de nuestra comunidad Baha'i, contarle a todos los vecinos de Peñalolén que prontamente, ya cada día se acerca más, vamos a tener el templo Baha'i en Peñalolén. Y por eso la comunidad Baha'i se ha ido acercando a trabajar también con el municipio, porque parte de su filosofía que los inspira tiene que ver con el ayudarse el unos a otros.
Over a century after the building of the first Baha'i house of worship, the completion of the final continental temple, the House of Worship of South America, is well within view. Its development is taking shape in a community that is itself developing and becoming increasingly vibrant and harmonious. At the heart of this spiritual enterprise is the invaluable role of young people, who are inspired by the vision of a better world and long to contribute to it. Yet, the temple is bringing all people together, young and old, and harmonizing diverse elements in society. As its completion draws nearer, it serves as a poignant symbol of a well-known passage from Baha'u'llah. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth.